Zhuangfeng was in Beijing for a week to explore the winter outdoor activities there. Here are 10 tips we believe will help you make the most of this fun adventure should you wish to explore these outdoor activities in your next winter holiday. If you fly from Hong Kong, there are multiple direct flights to Beijing daily. There are 2 airports in Beijing. I chose the capital airport, which is convenient to go to the best winter activity sites.
December to February is normally the coldest time of the year in Beijing.
Going during this period enabled us to do some of the ice and snow activities safely and easily. Don't be fooled by the deep blue winter skies of Beijing. It can get very cold, particularly when the wind blows. On my ski trip, temperatures were around -20 Celsius. Wind chill made it feel even colder. As you are active, better to wear many layers, so you can take them off as you warm up. I suggest a base layer, fleece, plus a waterproof down jacket at least. Also make sure you have a hat and gloves. Although there are trains to nearby stations, the most convenient way to get around is by car. The roads in Beijing are really good. I choose to drive to the locations for episode 1, 2, 4, 5. For episode 3, I simply called a taxi to go. To rent a car, you will need to have a Chinese driving license. Otherwise, use Didi, the Chinese version of Uber, or other phone apps for booking to go around. For ice camping, I booked with Doubu Camp. You can bring your own tent or rent one on site, which is already pitched. I will leave you their contact details below. To stay in Beijing, it's easiest to use online booking agents to select a hotel. You can choose a hostel with shared dorm for 70 RMB a night, or a medium-range hotel room for 500 RMB a night. The ski resort in Chongli, which hosted the Olympic Games, is a 3-hour drive if you rent a car. You can take the high-speed train from Beijing North Station to Chongli Station, which takes around an hour and a half. A second-class ticket costs 82 RMB. However, you will need to get to transfer before and after taking the train, say by a taxi or other public transportation. For the safety and convenience in doing the winter activities, it's essential to have a pair of crampons. You can rent a pair at Doubu Camp for about 20 RMB. I bought mine for 500 RMB. Cash is still acceptable, but most establishments are using either Alipay or WeChat Pay. I had some difficulty with the ski gear rental and the storage box rental deposit, as I didn't have money in my WeChat Pay account. Beijing had a reputation of being very polluted, but the city has made great strides in cleaning up the air. On my trip, I experienced clear blue skies and fresh air, particularly outside of the city where most of the activities are based. Beijing is a wonderful city to visit as a tourist. Try to leave a day or 2 for enjoying the great food, the history, and a little shopping before heading back home. These are the tips we got for you from our Beijing Winter series. Go watch the series if you haven't yet. Please let us know if you have any suggestion, and we will try to cover it in the next season. Like and subscribe to our channel wherever you watch it, or check out our website on www.zhuangfeng.com. See you next time!